It's great to visually show customers the problems with their windows. The Bosch Professional GTC 600C helps me show them exactly where the problems lie. I can then offer them the perfect solution with good quality new windows. I really like how tough and robust it is and the fact that I can use it outside in all weathers. I definitely recommend it to anyone in the trade.
Bosch Professional GTC 600C is excellent for checking distribution boards, switches, any electrical equipment. One of the circuit breakers is only 5 degrees higher than the others, but it shows up very clearly on screen. I really like the voice annotation feature. You can capture everything you've found and the job is recorded.
I use the Bosch Professional GTC 400C all the time. It clearly shows the problem to the customer and speeds up the whole process. It's really easy to transfer the thermal images to my phone. It makes processing the quotation simple.
We use the Bosch thermal camera when we're installing heated windscreens. And after completing the work, we can also check and document that the part is working correctly.
When installing stud work into an area that has an existing underfloor heating system, it's vital that we know exactly where those pipes are to avoid the disaster of going through one of those pipes. The Bosch thermal camera gives you total confidence in getting the job done quickly and correctly.